3, let's learn. Okay, let's learn about prepositions of place. Okay, when we say prepositions of place, um, these words are used to say location of a certain things. Okay, again, prepositions of place are used to say certain locations or positions of things.
Giới từ chỉ địa điểm được dùng để chỉ vị trí hoặc địa điểm cụ thể của sự vật.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's learn. We have
On.
ah here. Oh, one by one. We are going to talk about it one by one.
In.
Yes, in. So when we say in, it means it's something or yeah, it's something inside. Okay? It's something inside. Like for example, this one. I have here an example. This. This is a light and this is a box. Okay? Again, this is a light and this is a box. So if I put it here, we say the light is in the box.
Okay.
Okay? The light is in the box. Now, here. I just put the light here. Okay? Now, it is
Okay.
already on. Okay? Again, I put the light here above. This one. On. Okay? The light is on the box.
Okay.
On the box.
Okay.
We use on if the
Sử dụng trên.
we use on
Okay.
if it touches the surface of the box or anything.
Chúng ta sử dụng on nếu nó chạm vào bề mặt của hộp hoặc bất cứ thứ gì.
Okay.
Okay? Like here. Like here. The light is on my hand. It touches my hand. So it's just on.
Okay.
Okay? Now we move with under. Say it.
Under.
Okay, now we move with under. When we say under, it covers. Okay? If we are going to look it above or we are going to look it up, we can't see anything. We can't see anything under it because it covers. Okay? It's under. But
Okay.
if we will say this like this, okay, if it's like this, it's below.
Below.
But yes, below if they don't touch each other. But if like this, it's under. Okay? If it's like this, it's
Okay.
under. If it's like this, below.
Okay.
Okay? Now let's move on with next two. Next two. This is the box and this is the light. The light is next to the box. Okay, again.
Okay.
The light is next to the box. Next to. It's right beside you. Okay, right beside
Yeah.
you. But if it's like this,
Okay.
we say near. Okay? The light is near the box. But if it's like this, if it's closer, we say the light is next to
Next to.
the box. Yeah. If it's like this,
Near.
Near. Very good. Okay, now let's continue with behind. When we say behind,
Behind.
it means at the back. At the back of something. Okay? At the back of something. Just like this. Just like this. You can't see it, right? But the light is here. Behind. Okay? Behind. It's at the back of the box. We say the light is behind the box. Okay, say it again.
Okay.
The light make a
The
sentence.
light behind
The light is behind.
the light is behind the box.
Okay, yes. The light is behind the box. Now we have the opposite of behind. Please read.
In front of.
Yes, in front of. Here, the light is in front of the box.
Okay.
In front of.
Ở phía trước.
Front.
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 Đằng trước.
In front of. Okay?
Front.
Yes. In front of.
In front of the light.
Yes.
In front of the box.
Is in. Is in front.
In on. Oh,
Okay, again, the
front of.
light. Yes, very good. The light is in front of the box. Now we move on with
Between.
between. Okay, I have an example. I have a flower here. I have a light and a box. Now we can say the light is in between. In between the flower and the box.
The light is in between the box and the flower.
Yes, very good, Tree. That's correct. Good job. Okay, good job, Tree. Okay, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No.
No. Okay, now let's continue here. Okay,